right, kids, welcome to room 6365, Carnival Panorama. Guys, it's Carnival Panorama again. Are you surprised? The crazy people are on the ship today. Oh, fam, we found the crowd now. These folks are from Alabama and Las Vegas. Look at this, they brought drinks for everybody. Look at this. Well, you know what we should do. All right, kids, welcome to room 6365, Carnival Panorama. Let's check it out. Hey, our guy already came. It's beautiful, but we don't know what it is. Maybe a swan, right? Let's step outside. We're in Mazatlan today. So here's your basic room tour. Again, it's pretty similar to any other Carnival balcony room, but again, if you're in this room for your particular sailing in the future, you want to see your room, not somebody else's room. Let's start out here on the balcony. Sorry for the noise, kids. We are in the port of Mazatlan. Very industrial and loud. So your balcony comes with 2 chairs, a table. The sand was extra. We brought that from yesterday. That's all there is to it. Again, king bed, which is actually 2 twins put together. You can specify that on your preferences when you book. The TV. If you follow our channel at all, you know that that's how we hang our hats for the beach. There's plenty of storage underneath the bed for your luggage. As you can see there, look at that. Your life jackets are also under the bed. You can request a fan prior to your sailing and an extension cord. First come, first served basis, folks. 2 nightstands, one here, one over there. At any rate, couch folds out to a bed. You got the in-ceiling bed. Got to hang the ball caps, kids. If you don't know, if you're a first-time cruiser, the ship walls are made of metal. Most are magnetic. This water is not free, but it's in the room in case you, in a pinch, you're thirsty. Desk, drawer. We store our crossword puzzles and stuff in there. Got a blow dryer in here. Fridge to hold your waters if you buy waters. They come in a little series of 6-packs like that. Beautiful surfboard artwork. We got 3 closets and a safe. 3 drawers. I've got 2 of them. Beauty has 1, and then she's got all these shelves for all her stuff. Of course, these 3 shelves are great homes for your cruise duckies, or your towel animal roommates, or your ball caps, sunglasses. You have to request ice each day from your room attendant. We tell ours when we come on board that we want ice each night, and they're usually pretty good about that. Got a hook there to hang stuff, and then we put a magnet right there. There's your snoozing sign. If you don't want your room attendant to service your room, that's what you use. There you go. I got my shirts hanging. Swim clothes. Shoes. 3rd closet. Hey, the beauty don't mess around. She brings clothes just in case. She brings plenty of them. Here is your emergency instructions for guests. This is going to tell you. So anyway, bye-bye, Fred. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching our room tour. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you catch me in a lie. I don't do that. But if you catch me in something you think is wrong, hey, comment down below. We can't wait to hear it. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. We're in Mazatlan. We'll catch you later.